WP Ghost comes with predefined rules for each header security tool, but you have the flexibility to customize them to fit your website's needs. However, be cautious when adjusting these settings. Being too restrictive can block certain WordPress functionalities. So, what headers can you configure in WP Ghost? Let's take a quick look. Add strict transport security header. Add content security policy header. Add X-frame options header. Add X-XSS-Protection header. Add X-content type options header. Add cross-origin embedder policy header. Add cross-origin opener policy header. These headers help to prevent various attacks like cross-site scripting, clickjacking, and more. While setting up these headers, make sure you're not blocking necessary functionality. For example, if your website uses Google Maps or PDF Reader iframes, avoid activating the X-frame options header or whitelist the domains you use for these frames. Remember, it's important to understand what each header does before adding it. This will help you strike the perfect balance between security and functionality. Once you've added your desired headers, save your settings and clear the cache to make sure the changes are applied. To confirm that your header security is active, head over to securityheaders.com and test your site. If your changes aren't reflected, double-check if your server host is overriding any security settings. That's it! You've now secured your website against XSS attacks using WP Ghost's header security tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WordPress security tips.